Hey everyone, welcome back to the Relationship Detox community. I'm Jake Platt, author of the MORPH Method, Pathway to Holistic Wellness, and a certified professional life coach specializing in narcissistic abuse recovery. Today, we're going to explore a deeply personal but essential part of healing after narcissistic abuse. It's mourning the loss of yourself. When you've been in a toxic relationship, it's not just your emotional health that's affected. You may have lost touch with your identity, neglected your physical well-being, and carried chronic stress that leaves both your mind and body depleted. Rebuilding your health, both emotionally and physically, is a vital part of the healing process. By the end of this video, you'll understand why mourning your lost self is such an important step, how to grieve in a healthy way, and how to start reconnecting with your emotional and physical health. Let's dive in. Let's start by understanding why mourning yourself is a key part of recovery. In a relationship with a narcissist, there's often a gradual erosion of your sense of self. The narcissist's manipulative behaviors, gaslighting, criticism, control push you to suppress your own needs, desires, and even your personality just to survive. Over time, you may realize you've become a shadow of who you once were. You've lost touch with your passions, your confidence, and even your physical vitality. This loss isn't just about the relationship ending. It's about losing pieces of yourself along the way. Mourning that loss is essential because it allows you to validate your experience, honor what was taken from you, create space to rebuild both your emotional and physical health. So, how do we begin mourning and rebuilding? Let's break it into steps that focus on both emotional and physical recovery. Step 1. Acknowledge the loss. Recognize that this loss is real and significant. You've lost touch with parts of yourself, your confidence, your passions, your physical vitality, and that deserves to be grieved. Give yourself permission to feel sadness, anger, or even confusion about this loss. It's a normal part of the healing process. Step 2. Reflect on your past self. Take time to reconnect with who you were before the relationship. Ask yourself, what activities, people, or experiences used to make me feel alive? Journaling can be a powerful way to explore these memories. Step 3. Grieve in a healthy way. Mourning is a process that involves stages like denial, anger, bargaining, sadness, and acceptance. Allow yourself to experience these emotions without judgment. Seek support through therapy, coaching, trusted friends, or support groups to process these feelings safely. Now, let's shift focus to rebuilding your physical health, because trauma doesn't just affect your emotions, it impacts your body too. When you've been in a toxic relationship, chronic stress takes a toll on your physical well-being. Here's what happens. 1. Stress weakens your immune system. Prolonged stress lowers your body's defenses, leaving you more vulnerable to illness. 2. It disrupts sleep. You may have experienced insomnia or poor quality sleep, which can affect everything from your energy levels to your ability to heal. 3. It drains your energy and depletes nutrients. Chronic stress can lead to fatigue, hormonal imbalances, and deficiencies in key vitamins and minerals. 4. It affects your digestive health. Stress impacts the gut-brain connection, leading to issues like bloating, nausea, or poor nutrient absorption. Healing physically is just as important as healing emotionally. Let's talk about some specific steps you can take to rebuild your physical health. Step 4. Rebuild your physical vitality. Here's how to start nourishing your body. 1. Focus on restorative nutrition. Prioritize whole nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, lean meats, healthy fats. Add foods rich in magnesium and B vitamins to help your body manage stress more effectively. Stay hydrated to support energy levels and detoxification. 2. Get moving gently at first. Exercise helps reduce stress hormones like cortisol and boosts endorphins, which improve mood. Start with low-impact activities like walking, yoga, or swimming to rebuild strength and resilience without overwhelming your system. 3. Prioritize sleep hygiene. Create a consistent bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to rest. Avoid caffeine or screen time in the hours leading up to sleep, and try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. 4. Support your nervous system. Practice stress management techniques like mindfulness, journaling, or progressive muscle relaxation. Consider incorporating supplements like omega-3s or adaptogens, under the guidance of a healthcare professional, of course, to support your nervous system. 5. See a professional. Consider working with a health coach or functional medicine practitioner to address specific concerns like adrenal fatigue, nutrient deficiencies, or digestive issues. Finally, rebuilding both your emotional and physical self means reconnecting with who you truly are. Step 5. Reconnect with your authentic self. Start re-engaging with activities you love or exploring new hobbies that bring you joy. Surround yourself with people who support your healing and respect your boundaries. Set small, achievable goals to rebuild your confidence and remind yourself of your strength. Remember, healing takes time and setbacks are part of the process. Be gentle with yourself, celebrate your progress, and stay committed to honoring your well-being. Mourning the loss of yourself after narcissistic abuse isn't just about grieving what you've lost. It's about creating space to rebuild who you're meant to be, emotionally and physically. By acknowledging this loss, prioritizing both your emotional and physical health, and reconnecting with your authentic self, you're taking the most important steps toward recovery. If this resonates with you, please share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. And don't forget to check out our free relationship detox quiz or download the MORPH Coach app for more tools and support on your healing journey. As always, subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Remember, you're not just surviving, you're rebuilding, stronger and healthier than ever. Until next time, stay strong, stay compassionate, and keep growing. You've got this.